Why the hell am I still cooking for two? I'm never someone you get around to. I keep an open mind while looking past the warning signs. You don't really know somebody till they don't care about you. Never thought I'd ask myself, what did I do before you? I'm sorry, I can't be what you wanted me to be. You're not here for me. You can treat me like your family, but you'd rather believe you're not here for me. Why do I think you come back home? I should've known that the door's been closed. I keep an open mind while looking past the warning signs. But what's the point if I end up alone? You don't really know somebody till they don't care about you. Never thought I'd ask myself, what did I do before you? I'm sorry, I can't be what you wanted me to be. You're not here for me. You can treat me like your family, but you'd rather believe you're not here for me. You don't really know somebody. You don't really know somebody. You don't really know somebody. You don't care about you. I'm sorry, I can't be what you wanted me to be. You're not here for me. You can treat me like your family, but you'd rather believe you're not here for me. You're not here for me.